Viettiles Breeze Block are a special highlight in the landscape design of Hoi An Park. With handmade concrete materials and traditional motifs, this type of block not only brings aesthetic value but also promotes functional efficiency such as ventilation, lighting, and creating natural shadow effects. In the park, Viettiles Breeze Block are mainly used in decorative walls and partitions, helping to create an open, airy space while still maintaining the necessary privacy. The patterns are carefully selected, in harmony with Hoi An architectural style, bringing a feeling of lightness, closeness, and rich in indigenous culture. The use of breeze block not only contributes to beautifying public spaces but also demonstrates sustainable design thinking, utilizing traditional materials to create modern, environmentally friendly works. This is a typical example of the intersection between ancient values and contemporary architectural trends.